All right, so during the holidays, I was looking at some crazy deals, and one of the people that caught my eye, they came about around, well, shortly before Christmas, maybe before Thanksgiving. Here is the Tacticon Armament, the flip flop guy.
Oh, hey there. Didn't see you guys. I was just doing a little training.
I decided to pick up some of their stuff. They were having a crazy killer deal there for about 150 bucks. I picked up a battle torch, flashlight, a red dot. We will get to this a little bit later because I can't put this on my rifle yet. And then just a foregrip. And I'm pretty much the guys that they are marketing to, right? I'm the typical dad. I know a little bit about firearms. I want something to put on my rifle. I don't have a ton of money to spend, so I like when they're building their business plan. I am the guy that they that they drew out. So I wanted to start through all this and share my experience here with them. Again, I want to talk about this here specifically. That's probably the biggest hang-up that I have with Tacticon right now. This is the foregrip here. Super easy to put on. It's a typical foregrip. I mean, it's going to be something to hold on to at the end of your rifle. I mean, it's not like you can make these terrible quality, right? It's just going to plop on there, boom, like that, and, make their day. For the battle torch here, it comes with an Allen wrench and a bolt. For this here, this is the battle torch. And it comes with a few different things. It comes with a charger. It comes with a battery. It comes with a pressure plate as well. So you can put that on, or if you wanted to just use it as a regular flashlight, you can take this off. But it comes with a couple different mounts. You can put it on, just on the side rail, or it's got an adapter to make it directly there. I mean, it just depends on how you want to put it on. Like if you want to plop it up here, well, up here, if you'd rather it just be straight out from here, it's all up to you, how you want to run it. I don't, again, know a ton about all of these things. So I did watch a video that they explained that there's no reason why this shouldn't be like this, or the Surefires or something like that shouldn't be the same price as this. I mean, I don't know. I haven't tested this or anything like that, but this is just my experience unboxing and dealing with the company, because I really like their ideals, right? They want everybody to have as much as they possibly can. I've heard some bad things that, they get it from China. So, I mean, a lot of things come from China, I believe. So we are going to go through this. This is 600, I believe. Yeah. So you can see 600 lumen output, 1 hour runtime, yada, yada, yada. It's not very heavy. I got bronze because black was sold out, but it really doesn't matter to me. My rifle could have a little bit of color anyway. So there's that. And then this is the main hang up, okay? So when I first got it, I actually showed it off on Twitter, or X, or whatever you want to call it initially. This is the red dot, and this is called their Predator V3 micro red dot. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's supposed to be just a little micro red dot there. It comes with this. It comes with a, let me see, a 45 degree angle, if you want to put it down that way, turn it the wrong way. It's got the riser, so it's a little bit easier. I mean, all these come together. A couple different, an interesting thing that I had about the riser specifically, or I guess the mount onto the riser. If you could see that there, that's like a star bit, and this is a bit for an Allen wrench. And they gave me one Allen wrench. They said that they would send 2 with it, but I have been unable to find the second one. Like, it's not anywhere in the box. So I had to actually have my own star bit, like screwdriver, to fix this here, to mount it even. But that's not even the biggest problem here. I gotta clean all this up. This is a mess now anyway. Now the red dot's supposed to last for hours and hours and hours. I think it's like 10,000 hour, I don't know, something like that. I don't know. On their thing, they said about 10,000 hours, but here's my biggest problem with this red dot. You ready? If I turn it on, I mean, look at that. I can bring it closer, but that is the optic, and I'm almost touching the camera here. I can hardly see anything through that. The MOA is Gigundo. Does it have an MOA on this? But I mean, that's just not doable, man. I don't know. You can see there's a little bit of a, I don't know, like a mess up in there. I don't know what's going on with that. So I contacted them. They said they would check it out, and within 48 hours, once they checked it out, they would ship a new one. But it's been about 10 days now, I think, and I still haven't heard anything back from them, unfortunately. So I mean, I would love to check this out, but I can't shoot. I can't shoot when Mars is in my way here. You know what I mean? So that's been my only hang up. I'm waiting for that. There is a lifetime guarantee on all these things. So if something goes wrong, they're going to send you another one. My guess is that they've been super, super busy because they literally just blew up right before Thanksgiving there, or right before Christmas, something like that. And because they've got really great marketing, because he wears flip-flops all the time. So good for him, good for them. However, I need a new one of these bad boys so I can put it on my rifle. This is the first time I'm putting anything on my rifle. And so that really needs changed, and I need to put all this stuff on and test it, yada, yada, yada. But that's just been my unboxing experience and my general thoughts on them. I mean, I like their ideas, and it doesn't bother me that things come from China, but when the quality is like this, you know, it's not great. So that's all for this one. Just wanted to give my initial thoughts here on the products. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oops, new to the camera. Stay gray.